affordable retirement top expat destinations you should know. So guys, we've been talking about retiring abroad for months now. I've done some research and I think I found a few affordable spots we should seriously consider.
Ooh, spill, I'm all ears. If I can stretch my retirement budget and live somewhere beautiful, I'm in.
Same here, I want a comfortable life without breaking the bank. Where are we talking? Let's start with Mexico. It's super popular with retirees for a reason. Affordable living, amazing weather, and a short flight from the US. Places like Mérida and Puerto Vallarta offer a great quality of life for less than $2,000 a month.
I've heard Mérida has a great expat community and is super safe. Plus, the food, tacos, guacamole all day long.
Yeah, and they have excellent private healthcare, definitely worth considering. Next up, Portugal. The Algarve region is a retiree hotspot with stunning beaches and a mild climate. Housing is affordable and healthcare is top-notch.
Oh, I've seen pictures of those colorful tiled streets and the coastal cliffs. It's gorgeous. And I hear they have a great visa program for retirees.
Exactly. And the cost of living, way lower than most of Europe. It's like getting the European experience without the hefty price tag. Now here's one for you adventurers. Thailand. It's insanely affordable, with stunning beaches and a unique culture. Cities like Chiang Mai are especially popular with retirees.
I've heard Chiang Mai is great for people who love the outdoors and want a quieter lifestyle. Plus, you can live comfortably on less than $1,500 a month.
I'd love to explore the temples and eat all the street food, but how's the healthcare there? World-class and affordable. Many retirees even get private insurance for a fraction of what it costs back home.
Wait, before we get to the next one, let's remind everyone watching to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, if you're loving these ideas, make sure you don't miss our next video on how to make your retirement abroad stress-free. Okay, back to it. Panama. It's known for its Pensionado program, which gives retirees discounts on everything from medical care to entertainment.
And you can live in the capital for a city vibe or head to Phuket for a quiet, cool mountain retreat.
I like that Panama uses the US dollar, no exchange rate headaches. Last one for today, Ecuador. It's a hidden gem for retirees with its low cost of living and incredible diversity. You can choose between beach towns, mountain cities like Cuenca, or even the Amazon region.
I've read that you can rent a nice place for under $500 a month. And the fresh produce markets, so cheap and delicious.
And the climate is spring-like year-round in the highlands. That's a win for me. Well, those are my top picks for affordable retirement, so what's your favorite?
Portugal for me. I want that European charm.
I'm leaning toward Thailand, culture, food, and affordability. Perfect! Let's keep researching, and maybe next year one of us will be filming this from our dream destination.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which destination is calling your name.
And share this with someone dreaming of retirement abroad. See you in the next one.
Start your adventure today.